Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy way to search for only document and spreadsheet files on Dropbox, so you can find what you need faster than ever before. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Whether you're on your phone or tablet, everything works pretty much the same. Once you're in, look right at the top of the screen. You'll see the search bar. Tap on it to get started with your search. Next comes the magic step, filtering your search results. Right next to or within the search bar, you'll find a little icon that looks like a funnel. This is the type filter. Tap on that icon to open up a list of file types you can choose from. From the list, select the file type labeled Documents. This will narrow down your search drastically, showing only documents and spreadsheets. It's perfect if you want to skip photos, videos, or other file formats that might clutter your results. Now simply type in the keyword or file name related to the document or spreadsheet you're looking for. Tap Search and watch as Dropbox presents a clean, filtered list of files matching your request. This makes it super easy to locate reports, presentations, budgets, or any document-based content you've stored. Once your filtered results appear, you can tap on any file to open it directly in the Dropbox app or choose to share it, download it, or even move it to another folder. Using this method not only saves time but also helps you stay organized, especially if you work with lots of different file types in Dropbox. That's all there is to it. By using the type filter in Dropbox's search, you streamline your workflow and get straight to the files that matter the most. So next time you need a specific document or spreadsheet, remember these simple steps and say goodbye to endless scrolling. Thanks for watching.